Oh.
Huh. What's your question?
Building 2 here at Rosewood Commons. I bet that means elevator 2, building 2. Because the other one said 3. Interesting. Is this the really clicky OTIS button?
The amber ones.
I love these buttons. Look at that, they integrated the Dover fire service in there. That actually looks like a new switch. I don't think any of the other cars are working. Oh, I spoke way too soon.
Oh, the lanterns are also on too.
Dover blue. I'm pushing it down. It would still ring anyway if the bell wasn't broken.